Hello, millionaires! Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, where we help you discover the secrets to living a richer, fuller life, not just financially, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. In today's self care segment, we are diving into one of the most crucial skills you can ever develop: self discipline. Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose, a rock solid plan, and the unwavering determination to follow through on your goals. Whether it's acing your exams, building a successful business, improving your health, or mastering a new skill, self discipline is the key that unlocks the door to all your dreams. Picture this: you start your day with a powerful morning routine, inspired by legends like Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who epitomized self discipline. You stay focused, resist distractions, and overcome procrastination. Every task, big or small, gets completed on time, bringing you closer to your ultimate goals. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what we are going to help you achieve today. I'm Molly, and in this video, we'll reveal 10 steps to master self-discipline, each packed with practical advice and real-life examples, especially from our vibrant Indian culture. We'll cover everything from setting clear goals and developing positive habits to overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. And stick around till the end for a special bonus tip that could be a game changer in your journey to self-mastery. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and get ready to transform your life. Ready to become the best version of yourself? Let's dive in. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Millionaires, the first step to mastering self-discipline is setting clear, achievable goals. Without a destination in mind, it's easy to get lost or distracted. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, smart. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I will jog for 30 minutes every morning for the next 3 months." This clarity gives you a concrete target to work towards. Think about the legendary Indian cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar. From a young age, he set specific goals for his cricket career, such as scoring centuries and breaking records. His clear vision and relentless pursuit of these goals led him to become one of the greatest cricketers of all time. So, write down your goals and review them regularly to stay focused and motivated. Step 2. Develop a routine. Creating a routine is essential for building self-discipline. A routine structures your day and helps you prioritize tasks, making it easier to stick to your goals. Start with small changes, like waking up early or dedicating a specific time for exercise or reading. Consistency is key. Over time, these small habits will become second nature. Look at the routine of Indian industrialist Ratan Tata. He starts his day early, dedicates time to reading, and follows a structured work schedule. This routine has contributed to his disciplined lifestyle and immense success. So, design a daily routine that aligns with your goals and stick to it, no matter what. Step 3. Practice self-control. Self-control is the backbone of self-discipline. It's about resisting temptations and staying focused on your long-term goals. Whenever you face a distraction, remind yourself of the bigger picture and the benefits of staying on track. For instance, if you're tempted to watch TV instead of studying, think about how achieving good grades will bring you closer to your career aspirations. Consider the story of Swami Vivekananda, who practiced immense self-control and dedication to his spiritual and intellectual pursuits. His disciplined lifestyle enabled him to become a revered spiritual leader and philosopher. By practicing self-control, you too can achieve great things. Remember, every small act of self-control strengthens your overall discipline. Step 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can often feel overwhelming, leading to procrastination. Breaking them into smaller, manageable steps makes them more approachable and easier to tackle. Create a checklist and focus on completing one task at a time. This not only makes the process less daunting but also gives you a sense of accomplishment with each completed step. Take the example of the Indian space scientist Dr. K. Sivan. When working on complex projects like the Chandrayaan missions, he and his team broke down the enormous task into smaller, achievable milestones. This approach allowed them to systematically overcome challenges and achieve remarkable success. By breaking your tasks into smaller steps, you can make steady progress towards your goals. Step 5. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are the enemy of self-discipline. Identify what distracts you the most. It could be social media, TV, or even certain people, and find ways to minimize these distractions. Create a dedicated workspace, use apps that block distracting websites, or set specific times to check your phone. Think about the meditation practices of ancient Indian sages who would retreat to isolated places to eliminate distractions and focus entirely on their spiritual growth. By creating an environment free from distractions, you can significantly enhance your productivity and discipline. Take control of your environment and stay focused on your tasks. Step 6. Stay motivated. Maintaining motivation is crucial for self-discipline. Find what inspires you and use it to fuel your drive. This could be motivational quotes, success stories, or visualizing the benefits of achieving your goals. Keep reminders of your goals and progress visible to keep your motivation high. Consider the example of Indian Olympic boxer Mary Kom. Despite numerous challenges and setbacks, she stayed motivated by her passion for boxing and her dream of winning medals for India. Her determination and motivation led her to become a world champion. Find your source of motivation and let it propel you towards your goals. Step 7. Develop positive habits. Positive habits are the building blocks of self-discipline. Identify habits that support your goals and make a conscious effort to develop them. This could be regular exercise, reading, or practicing mindfulness. Habits automate your actions, making it easier to stay disciplined without constant effort. Look at the daily habits of Indian author and monk, Jay Shetty. His routine includes meditation, reading, and journaling, which help him maintain clarity and focus. By cultivating positive habits, you can create a disciplined and fulfilling lifestyle. Start small and gradually build habits that align with your goals. Step 8. Learn to say no. Saying no is a powerful tool for maintaining self-discipline. It's important to prioritize your goals and avoid overcommitting. Politely decline requests or activities that don't align with your objectives. This helps you focus your time and energy on what truly matters. Take inspiration from Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, who emphasizes the importance of focus and prioritization. By saying no to unnecessary distractions and commitments, he manages to lead one of the world's largest companies effectively. Learn to say no and protect your time for what's important. Step 9. Reflect and adjust. Regular reflection is key to staying on track with your self-discipline journey. Take time to review your progress, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your strategies accordingly. This helps you stay adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. Consider the approach of Indian entrepreneur N.R. Narayana Murthy, founder of Infosys. He constantly reflects on his business strategies and makes necessary adjustments to keep the company thriving. By reflecting on your actions and learning from your experiences, you can continuously improve your self-discipline. Step 10. Reward yourself. Celebrating your successes is essential for maintaining self-discipline. Reward yourself for completing tasks and reaching milestones. This positive reinforcement boosts your motivation and makes the process enjoyable. Choose rewards that are meaningful and aligned with your goals. Think about how the Indian film industry celebrates achievements with award ceremonies. Recognition and rewards keep the industry thriving and motivate individuals to strive for excellence. Similarly, reward yourself to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. It could be a small treat, a break, or anything that brings you joy. Here's your awaited bonus tip: surround yourself with positive influences. Millionaires, our bonus tip is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you interact with daily have a significant impact on your mindset and discipline. Choose to spend time with individuals who inspire and support your goals. Their positivity and encouragement will help you stay focused and motivated. Consider the influence of Mahatma Gandhi's close associates who shared his vision and supported his mission for India's independence. Their collective positivity and dedication strengthened his resolve. Similarly, by surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can reinforce your self-discipline and achieve your aspirations. To summarize, mastering self-discipline involves setting clear goals, developing routines, practicing self-control, breaking tasks into smaller steps, eliminating distractions, staying motivated, developing positive habits, learning to say no, reflecting and adjusting, and rewarding yourself. By incorporating these steps into your life, you can achieve your goals and lead a disciplined, fulfilling life. Millionaires, which step do you find most challenging? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more transformative content. Remember, your journey to self-discipline starts today.